Today in Crypto. In an interview with CNBC on Tuesday, January 12, Isaiah Jackson, the co-founder of KRBE Digital Assets Group and author of Bitcoin and Black America, said that cryptocurrency is the key to fixing economic injustice and therefore encourages black investors to embrace crypto assets for long-term savings. Jackson, a Bitcoin advocate, stated, "For the first time in history, we have a Plan B option to the current financial system which has seen years of redlining, racial discrimination and other egregious acts by retail banks to the black community. And in my opinion, the black community has the opportunity to shift our mindset and our money." He urges black people to shift their energy into crypto and Bitcoin as there is no barrier to entry and it is unconfiscatable. He termed this phenomenon as something that has not been seen in the history of the U.S. for the black community. He, therefore, thinks that cryptocurrency is a step in the right direction and can help in the long term. Since mid-October last year, Bitcoin's price in comparison with the US dollar has more than tripled, but declined more than 10% on Monday, 11th of January, imitating the extreme volatility witnessed in 2018. However, Jackson does not see Bitcoin's fall experienced this week as a concerning issue for long-term holders. He said, "The drop that we've seen recently is nothing more than market cycles. If you're in Bitcoin as a savings account, as a way to preserve your wealth, then this volatility should not scare you at all." Bitcoin's benefit to the black community. Bitcoin, the world's leading crypto asset, continues to rally into the new year by trading above $30,000 for weeks. The cryptocurrency has been on the high ride this year and now is up more than 180%, driven partly by new institutional support and low interest rates stemming from the coronavirus. It is therefore high time to invest in Bitcoin as an increasing number of people use it as a hedge for inflation. Money printing is seen as one of the greatest drivers of inequality. Black-owned businesses have long faced challenges in getting financing. For example, only 12% of black business owners who applied for the Paycheck Protection Program loans, PPP, obtained what they have asked for, compared with 49% of white-owned businesses. Furthermore, the relationship of black-owned businesses with banks is impeded by their smaller size and by absolute racism, discrimination. However, Bitcoin cryptocurrency fixes these problems and gives financial freedom to the black community. Despite criticizing Bitcoin, the Shark Tank star also said the digital asset could become something of tremendous value if regulators were to back it. Businessman Kevin O'Leary, who appears on the reality TV show Shark Tank, seems to be backing away from statements he made in December indicating he might purchase more Bitcoin. In an episode of his YouTube series released today titled "Why I'm Not Investing in Bitcoin," O'Leary spoke to Bitcoiner Anthony Pompliano and called Bitcoin, BTC, a giant nothing burger in terms of its value as an asset. He argued he would be unable to make a significant transaction using the crypto asset because of inconsistent regulatory frameworks across the world. "I look at the asset value of Bitcoin versus the asset value of all things traded, and Bitcoin is still a nothing burger, a giant nothing burger," said O'Leary. "The reason I would argue that that's the case is you don't have every institution willing to play ball with it." The Shark Tank star is not completely against Bitcoin. However, he appeared on an episode of Pomp's podcast in December and revealed that he already owns some BTC and might consider investing anywhere from 1% to 5% of his portfolio into the crypto asset in future. In his YouTube video today, the businessman also said Bitcoin had the potential to become something of tremendous value if regulators in different countries were to get behind digital assets. O'Leary is known for coming up with colorful but critical nicknames. He has previously referred to digital assets as crypto crap and Bitcoin as not a real currency and a rogue currency. This week's $11,000 drop occurred in just 32 hours, and this definitely an important milestone for Bitcoin, BTC, price. Many mainstream media outlets perceived the correction as the start of a new bear market, but data simply does not support this line of thinking. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Amid legal action from the SEC, Ripple has brought in fresh blood from Amazon, Nasdaq AMZN, to lead its engineering team. In a statement released today, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced that former Amazon Vice President of Delivery Experience, Devraj Vradhan, has joined Ripple as its new Senior Vice President of Engineering. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. How the OCC is building Crypto America, and Saving Banks from Extinction. 3 interpretative letters from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency lay the groundwork for banks to become crypto custodians, payment companies and miners in blockchain networks. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.